Now I'm going to show you how to install your Mico capsule with a seatbelt using 4 simple steps. Step 1. Recline the base. The capsule line needs to be level with the ground. To adjust this, squeeze the base handle. Step 2. Lap sash install.
Thread the car's seatbelt through the belt path. Then buckle the seatbelt. Push down and tighten. A little movement is okay.
Step 3. Attach capsule.
Push down firmly to lock the capsule in place. Listen for the click when it's locked.
Step 4. Attach top tether.
Attach the hook. And tighten.
If you need any more help, please visit the website or call Maxi-Cosi.